Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So I have great news. I've started my business. Anyways, what I wanted to talk to you guys about is the mistake that I've made and how I don't want you to make the same mistake. As y'all know, I got you, right? Once I learn something, I'm gonna let y'all know so that y'all don't make the same mistake, okay? So I started this journey a couple months ago or a month ago, and I've learned a lot. And so far, I've made just a few mistakes. But of course, when you're doing the business, the mistakes are always going to be costly for most of the time. So I don't want y'all to make the same mistake, right? But before I get into the mistake, make sure that y'all go to www.thebennettsclub.com and sign up for our newsletter. So therefore, whenever we launch, you'll be the first to know. You'll be the first to get our discounts and our promotions. You'll be the first to know about it. So make sure you go over there and sign up for our newsletter, okay? So you don't miss a thing. And when we get new products, also, you'll be the first to know. You'll be in the loop, honey. Yeah, so I've created my thank you card myself, right? Here it is, so cute and simple. Yes, honey. So I choose the color for my brand to be black and gold because I think it is super classy. I think it is clean and I just love it. It is simple. And to be honest, I'm going for a luxury feel for my brand. I want to sell high-end product at a fraction of the cost. That's my aim. So anyway, so this is a thank you card and this is the business card. I'm gonna tell you the mistake in a minute, right? So on the back of my thank you card, let me cover this. So I'm covering the coupon code because here I have designed. I'm gonna put a copy on the screen so that you can have a better look at it. But it is simple, it is cute, and I just love it. I'm in love. I really love it. And as I say, the best part is I designed it myself. You know, that feeling of accomplishment that you get when you do something yourself? Yes, honey. That's how I feel. And also the business card, simple and cute, sleek. The mistake that I made was when I was creating these business cards, I created them, but then I didn't know where to print them out, right? And I learned about Vistaprint. I went on Vistaprint and the price was kind of... When I went on Canva, because I created them on Canva and I also had the option of printing them on Canva, and that also was kind of, you know, I was like trying to find the best deal, you know? And I went to staples.com and I print these as Staple. I'm not trying to dish dirt on anybody or any company, but I do not like the way it turned out, the print, right? And they did not cut it properly. If you notice, there's a white on the edge, right? And the quality of the card is kind of, I don't like that. I really don't like that. And guys, I did 500. But I mean, I'm gonna cut them myself, cut off the white part, and I'm still gonna use them because I'm not gonna waste my money, yo. So I'm gonna cut off the white part and I'm still gonna use them. But after these are done, which I'm hoping to get through these real fast because I'm gonna put them in every package that I send out. I'm gonna give them out on the road when I go on the road and stuff. So I'm hoping to get through them real fast. The next order that I'm gonna make, I'm definitely not gonna use Staples because I don't like how that turned out. As I say, I'm not trying to dish dirt or anything, but personally for me, I just don't like how it turns out. I am super proud of myself for starting a business. You know, looking at your girl as an entrepreneur. I broke one for now, but yeah, it's a good feeling, you know. It's a good feeling. As I say, it's a feeling of accomplishment. You start something and I'm building it from the ground up, and we just have to see where it goes. Oh, let's talk about what's going to be on my website, y'all. So on the website, you're going to find cosmetics and personal care. So the plan is I'm gonna be having makeup on there. So your eyeliner, your lip gloss, your lipstick. I'm thinking eyeshadow palette in the future. But to start, I'm just gonna start with probably lip gloss and lipstick. But of course, in the future, I'm gonna move into more stuff. And I also want to do, as I said, personal care. So personal care, I'm gonna have like body scrub, like lotion, stuff like that. As I say, personal care. So that's what's going to be on the website. And as I say, I'm going for a luxury quality product for a fraction of the cost. So guys, whatever I put out, you're going to love it. I promise you. I'm searching far and wide and deep for the best product to put on my website. Okay, the best. When you use my products, you're going to feel good. Trust me. Anyways, with that being said, if you guys have any questions, you know I'm here for you. I got you. As I say, just don't make the same mistake I did. And if you enjoy this video, make sure that you give your girl a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay?